Hey everyone, Dulcie here and you're watching Candy's Garden, where today I'm going to save you a lot of money. Don't go out and purchase one of these already made from online or in stores paying over $30 for a set of 10. You're going to be paying $2 each for these. Stay tuned. Now you're wondering, $2? Yep, $2. Walmart has made it easy on everybody because these were 98 cents. Don't believe me? Look at that. 98 cents, y'all, 98 cents for these cute things, okay? And then this I had to purchase online, 97 cents each. Or they had a set of 6 for $4.98, I believe, but they were out of stock, so I purchased these separately. 97 cents for one of these solar powered lights, and then 98 cents each. All right, now we all have seen this how-to with the bigger regular pumpkins, but doesn't this look cuter? Like, for real, instead of this big old pumpkin around these things. You want these in your walkway or around your yard for decoration during the holiday season. But hey, you can also do it for Thanksgiving or whatnot, right? Because there's two sides to every lantern. Anyways, let's get to this because you come here to learn how to make this $2 solar powered lantern. Like I said, you purchase this at 97 cents at Walmart. Then you purchase this. I did find out that they had the white ones after the fact that I bought the orange ones, but this is even perfect, okay? Perfect. They have a black one that I will do for next year, where I plan to just cut out the eyes and mouth, and then the light will show through it. But that can wait till next year. Anyways, so what I have done, I'm going to make this easy. Mark where you want to make a hole, okay? Now this hole has to be, you are going to get one of your lanterns, okay? You're going to take it out of this thing right here. Make sure whenever you open it, you take that thing, make sure it works, okay? So yeah, there you go. Whenever you buy it, make sure it works. But anyways, take off the end, and you got to make sure these holes that you make. So what I've done is marked it, okay? And what I did to make the hole was use this soldering iron. I'm pretty sure you might be able to do it with a screwdriver, a drill. But I will, make the hole. And be careful with this, okay? Adult supervision, because I burnt my finger and oh my god. Anyways, so you want to make sure you're able to put the light in there and pop it out like that, okay? Okay? But if you leave it like that, right? This can't go as far as it needs to go to stick on, okay? So what we have to do is take the lantern out of this thing. I mean, the lantern or the light out of that thing. And you see how it's like not even, right? So what I'm gonna do is use the sander. And like I show you that I know how to use the power tool. Okay. And you would want to sand this pretty even. Okay, you want to kind of get this as even as possible. Okay, see? As even as possible, okay? Then that way, whenever you put the light, solar power light in there like that, It's in there. Got a good end. You got more that you could put the butt end too. Right there, see? And I could leave it like that and be done with that. But what I did on the one that I've shown you, I did put, what is it called? Where you melt that glue? The glue gun? Yeah, hot glue. I'll put hot glue right there. That way, you know, it's able to stay on there longer. So yeah, that's it. That's how to make these lanterns. $2 a pop. I spent around $20 for all these things. 5 of these white ones, 5 of the orange, and 10 of the lights. I sure hope you all enjoyed this how-to. Easy, $2. Don't go spending a lot of money on these things that people are trying to sell you. Okay? You know how to make a cute, and I will insert one from Amazon that I was trying to get that looks almost like this, right? You're spending over $30 versus my $20, and this one looked cuter. So, the reason why you don't want such big pumpkins, you know, the lantern, I feel like, you know, there's too much space for the little, unless you're gonna get a bigger solar power. But I've seen, don't tell nobody, but I've seen a neighbor out here, and they put like that foam filling in it, so it looks like there's popcorn coming out of the lantern. You know, don't be that guy, you know. But I hope you all enjoyed this how-to. Hopefully I made it as quick and simple as can be. Remember to love God because He loves you. And y'all have a nice day now. You hear?